All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we've been uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and bust out content on these cars and stuff. You've seen a bunch of videos we've done on the CB7, the CG. This video is going to be on the CG5. We got back seats for it and a couple of other parts for it that we're going to be throwing on. This car has leather. It's an EX, so it had leather interior. The two front seats have been swapped over from cloth. They're actually the seats out of the Turbo Coupe that I had. And then the backs are still leather, but they're all torn up and destroyed. And I found a part out on Marketplace, and we got a killer deal on a bunch of stuff for this car and for another project car that we have. Not the CB7, but same color interior in cloth. We got to clean them up. They're a little dirty, but we'll get them cleaned up, looking good. Put those in, and we got another gas cap because the one on the car had a couple dings in it, and I think we only paid like $5 for this. So can't beat that. We got tail lights that we're going to be doing stuff on before we install those on the car. What else did we get? Seats, this, tail lights. Oh, and we got another engine. You guys will see that in a later video, what's going on with that and what we're doing to that. But let's just say this car or the other car that we have is going to be making some jam. So we'll see. We'll see. But we're going to have a baller here soon. But yeah, we'll get these back seats cleaned up and everything and get these installed, get this put on, and a few more things we got to do on the car under the hood and just on the car in general. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so here's this one, the new one. You can see this one has a couple dings in it and stuff. This one doesn't, and like I said, this is like $5, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this gas cap open and get it swapped out. And for that, there's just two 10 mils. And while we're here, we'll go ahead and get this all in here cleaned out, just because it's pretty dirty in there.
Sure, y'all can already see already.
Yeah, see how dirty that is in there? That nasty. Alright, now let me get this installed.
Oh, it's bent. You bent it in a little.
Ooh. Don't break it. There we go.
Cast it?
Yeah. Haha.
Very nice.
So cleanish. This is still dirty, but baby steps. Oh yeah. That.
Clicks so much better too.
Yeah, and that. And is the same color as the car. Yeah, no more dingy dents up here on this one. Yes, sir. Hey guys, we're gonna start taking the back seat out. So pop the bottoms, just pop up. 1, 2, and 3. Get that sucker out of here.
Well, there's half a Happy Meal from the kids.
There's more cereal than Happy Meal. And then on both corners, you'll have a 10 mil on each corner.
That one under it?
Yeah.
That's it.
I think you gotta lift them up. There it goes.
It's going. Sheesh. Alright. And then on these guys, you got 12 mils on each corner. Alright, and then like I said, on the corners, and now if your key works for this, then cool. If not, you pop the trunk, and in the trunk there's a quick release button to drop those down.
Pop it, do it. Okay.
Why is this locked? The seatbelt.
Seatbelt shouldn't be locked. I never pull on it. You can pull. That's good. Don't know why I did that before. All right.
And that's it. Hey, look, you got a Tonka toy.
Oh, okay.
Dirty in here.
Just a little bit. You want to clean it up?
I reckon.
All right. You got a vacuum? That one goes on this side.
Make sure you get your seatbelt over there.
Yep.
Okay. Very good.
Get mine in. All right, it's in there. Oh, no.
Those gotta come out?
Yep.
Okay. I'm a dummy. I figured it would have been easier putting the corner pieces in first, but clearly not.
Yeah, you
Because
got.
he's got to bolt in first.
Yeah, you got to put in that.
Get this one off.
Mommy, it's this.
Isn't it beautiful?
Hold on, just gotta go in the trunk.
Mine's on. Guess I got brand new back seats. This would have been a lot easier with the seat out, but
That's why I wanted to do it that
I
way.
know. All right, now for bottom seat time. Again. I say mine's in. Oh. Hold on. Ah, there you go. Good.
That's not clipping in.
Is that one not?
Oh yeah. There you go.
Can I drive from back here? These are really comfy.
You pretty much do. I like the cloth.
Me too. Oh, look. We got our own personal armrest cup holders. How you like it,
Who's
sissy?
messaging?
Beautiful.
Now we got to get the headliner cleaned up for you
Yeah.
guys, right?
You guys take your drinks and fling them. It can be cleaned. You just gotta be careful. Here, put this up so you can sit in the middle.
There you go. Is that better?
Much comfier.
Mommy, you can
Oh, you got it.
We're gonna scoot. I'm gonna get. No.
Sit next to Daddy. Come on. The camera's on. Look at that. We all fit back here.
Yeah.
Who's going to
Yeah.
drive for us? You drive?
Not you.
Me?
Yeah.
Why don't you drive?
Because I don't know how to drive.
No, you're just a little bit too short. It's okay. We'll teach you.
Mommy's too short to drive.
Hey.
Mommy, not you so short.
That makes no sense. I'm taller than Mommy.
Not you short.
All right, guys. What else should we do to the car now?
Turbo it.
Turbo it? You jumping the gun there, buddy. Don't tell everybody we're going to turbo the car. Then they're going to know. Gosh, that's a secret. That's a secret.
Turbo it already.
All right, guys. So we got the back seats in,
Mm-hmm.
cleaned up, way better
Have the seatbelt
than the
buckle.
leather ones that are now in the dumpster. So let's keep moving on.
Now hit turbo, guys.
All right, guys. So you guys see we got the back seats and everything in. To close out this video, what we're gonna do is the pollen is so bad out here right now. Like the whole inside of the car, like dash and center console and everything is covered. Even the steering wheel is covered in pollen. Like, I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but look. See it all over the steering wheel, all up here. Like, look at all in here. Look at that. Like, everything is just caked in it. We got some cleaner. Just go ahead and spray it all down. Quick little wipe down just to get rid of all this pollen in here. I'm just spraying everything down. Just everything. By everything, I even mean my legs that everything just fell on. That was cold. Yeah, just give it a quick wipe down. Not going crazy cleaning it. We do need to wash this car again because of all the pollen. But just do a quick wipe down for the time being, just so we can get rid of all this pollen in here. That shit can make you cough and cough and cough and cough. Just a quick wipe down on everything, you know, just to get rid of it all. Get those little crevices. Quick wipe. Nothing crazy. The car needs a whole detail, so we'll just clean it real quick just to get rid of everything on the dash. All that. Now that my camera girl's out here, it'll be a little easier to record and do this. But yeah, like I said, guys, everything was just caked in this.
Oh yeah, I'm sneezing and coughing like crazy. This pollen is getting me so bad.
Yeah, just wipe it all down. Nothing crazy. Just a clean wipe. You can tell when stuff don't get cleaned a lot because it doesn't shine no matter how much you spray it. And also because the heat right now outside is like drying this out. We need a new dash.
No, it's cracked.
Zip ties.
We can do that. It'll look nice.
We'll do like see if we can order like rose gold ones.
Yes.
So we'll get rose gold zip ties. We'll do like the drift stitch on it, rose gold.
Have you wiped down the steering wheel yet?
Yes, it was bad.
I'm about to say, I do that about once a week. Yeah, the cup holder doesn't close anymore.
Yeah, somebody broke that expensive cup holder. Speaking of zip tie, I think we need this for your bumper. Hold that. One more mod. Or fix. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. So, wasn't going crazy, just the car does need a detail. So, gonna have to hit up our buddy, actually, to see if he's able to come detail the car for us. He owes us a detail. Kind of looks like I help him work on his stuff, his equipment and his car and everything, and he washes the car for us and details it and everything, you know. So it works out, you know. We all gotta help each other. Better? Better.
Much, because that used to look like you took a pepper or a salt shaker to it. Dude, the pollen was so bad in this thing, and I kept trying to wipe it off, and it just kept getting so bad. I could probably finally breathe in the car again.
That note. I think we're gonna go ahead and end this video. Oh wait, no, yep, one more mod. Forgot. Zip tie, please.
Zip tie.
Let's see if we can get it. So, this bumper makes noises.
She's a little wonky.
What in the zip tie? Come on, get in there. I don't think it's gonna fit in there.
No, might have to jack it up and get the wheel off.
We'll have to get this clip out. They used to have a screw, it looks like. I don't want to break this clip, but
So we don't need it.
I definitely need it. Man, we need a thinner zip tie. This boy is too thick. Like, there's even pollen all over the tires of the wheels. Look at that. Straight up pollen and dirt. Oh well, we'll get a different zip tie. We'll do that later. But yeah, go ahead and end the video here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to stay tuned for more, subscribe for more, leave a comment below, thumbs up, share videos, all that. Remember, guys, we're posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we're trying to upload at 4 o'clock every 3 days, those 3 days of the week. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.